Okay, let's get started. To the Strategic ERP MRP program. Let's start by looking at the first one. A consists of one piece of B and one piece of C. B consists of one piece of D and one piece of D. C consists of one piece of D. 3 pieces. One piece of F consists of 2 pieces of C, 1 piece of B, and 1 piece of D. A piece of work consists of 1 C and 2 B pieces. Next, let's look at the total according to the problem. Let's look at the stock, which is now at the NT warehouse. Now we have 300 pieces of assembly B and 120 pieces of material code D, according to the specification. And for the remaining raw materials code E, there are 700 pieces that have not yet been put into stock. Next, let's open a sale order. Able customers. The first one is Product A, quantity 200 pieces, delivery date 20/08/2024. The second line is Product F, quantity 300 pieces. Report date 20/08/2024 of this. Second, the customers are also able. It is Product A, quantity 500 pieces, delivery date 30/08/2024. And Product F, quantity 550 pieces, date 30/08/2024, and another sales order. It belongs to BTS customers. Order 600 pieces of Product G. Same day delivery date is 30/08/2024. At the moment we have 3 sales order, which are number 96, 97, 98. The total is as follows. From the available information, starting with the purchasing department, go to the MRP calculation program. Oh, let me see the MRP table first. This is nothing. We go into the MRP calculation program to calculate the purchase. Enter the last day of the sales order you want to calculate. Press 2. The purchasing system has already calculated the purchasing cost from the raw materials we already have. For the remaining stock, we should order the raw material code D and the raw material code E in this amount. E is 12,180, and the number is 1,780. Please copy this screen first. Let's take a quick look at the MRP table. From the problem, we can see that initially there will be some pending work for B. It's a 300-piece assembly work here, and it's a good one. There are 120 pieces of raw materials, and the letter E is the one that is still open, but has not been received yet. There are 700 pieces. Here is a quick way to look at it. We will look at the body first, but actually users do not need to look at this part. This is a brief explanation. That is, there will be products in the 3rd and 4th weeks, 200 pieces, and then 3 and 5 are 500 pieces. Right here, and then there's 300 pieces of product code F here, and then there's 550 pieces here, and then there's product G. There are 600 pieces of these three. They will be made into raw materials and assembled as follows. For example, these 300 characters, and then these 200 items, the production formula exploded and became B, 500, 1050, and 1200. When this period occurs, the number B500 is found to have 300. Therefore, this period is 500 minus 300. It becomes 200. Calculated for 1 week is 1 week, right? When it comes to this, 1050 is no longer deducted from stock. So it is 1050, we set this aside here, 1050, this one is 1200, 1200, and then it comes here, 1200, and so on. So this MRP, it will tell us how much we need to order and how much we need to plan for production. If we can look at this briefly, we will see that, for example, this work here, and one work that has to be ordered directly here. It's 800, then 1600, then 600, in the same way. The E code here is 500. It's 502,000. So this can be produced only once. That is 550 and 1200. Yes, it is possible. Open 2 lots. Let's try it later. From what we just calculated, once we have done the calculation, we can do it. Go look at MRP. It will be purchase order code EP.2. This is, the MRP says we should order supplier named ABC as raw material, which is good, in the amount of 12,000. 180 and the raw material is E, the number is 1,750. As follows. And open a purchaser order. Order supplier named ABC as raw material code D. The amount is 12,180 and the raw material E is 1,750. After that, we will receive the raw materials DE into the NT store. Go to, please accept the item that you just opened. Receive the box from MRP, which is EP.2, press F8, we will see the purchase order still pending, which is the purchase order from earlier. And then we accept it into the NT warehouse. The number D was 12,180 and the number E was 1,750. When we receive it, we can create a barcode and then attach it to a pallet or a box depending on the raw materials we receive. For example, this one is 12,180. Make a line separation of 12,180. Suppose I divide it into 3 boxes or 3 lines. It will be 10,000, it will be 5,000, it will be 5,000. And then 2,180. Receive the amount of 12,180 divided into 3 boxes, which is 5,180 per box. If you assume that you entered the wrong key, the system will not allow you to close the screen, so everything must be correct. This is 5,000. 5,000 is 10,000. This should be 2,180. You can turn off the screen. Here it's 2 boxes, 1,000. And 750. We received the item. 1 center is done. Then you can print the barcode. The system will do barcode that can be attached to the box to be the raw material, waiting for withdraw raw materials for further production. I would say that it's good that you came in. The quantity is 5,000 pieces, received on 06/08/2024. With 01, the box number is 099100. 101, 102, and 103. When we receive the purchase order that is open in the system, it is the transaction code PO3. We have the remaining PO, which is this 700. I'll take it. Once we receive it, we can print the barcode of the box. There is only 1 box. That's 700. After that, go look at And now we have the raw materials or work in progress as follows, which is the work in progress of B that is still pending according to the problem, which is 300. The code D is the 120 that we opened, and we received the additional amount from MRP as follows. When we have the raw materials ready, suppose the next day the production planning department comes in to plan the production and then makes the selection. Last day to calculate production plan. With just one press of a button, the MPS MRP program system will run to see what work each department did yesterday. How many good products, good or bad products NG are there? The program will adjust the plan here. And then it will tell us how much production we should plan. In order to start production, we will see that the production plan will be like this. We have to produce like this in order to, with the orders that we have opened, the division according to time period or production will be as follows. Since we have to produce a production plan like this, how many ingredients should we prepare? In this case, the ingredients codes are D and E, 12,300, and then 2,450. And this report will be a summary plan of production volumes according to all product codes or assembly codes. That is A, B, C, F, G. How many are included here? In the production adjustment, you can see that how much waste, NG, is there each day? How much is it? And how much more should we do? When we have this plan, we trust the calculation software, which is to go into the section Opening a Work Order by Machine. Come in here. This is the screen for opening a production order. This is a way to open production orders for multiple lots. The meaning is that we press a single button. The system will pull all the production plans that were previously calculated and show them to you. These are the production plans that we must open in full. But which ones need to be opened depends on you. Therefore, the system will do that. Here, is there any readiness that is attached to the red color? What does it mean? There is no readiness, or there is insufficient amount of raw materials or assembly work to be used for production. We can see that the red ones are products A and FG, which are of course finished products. It definitely can't be opened because the assembly work isn't finished yet, so we'll just delete it. Here, the number here is 201,050. We can separate 1,200 into lines ourselves. We can also add our own work to separate lots or adjust according to our production capacity. But this is now a demo. Please delete it first and let the software calculate it as it is. This screen is very important. It means whether the system can be opened or not. Check the work and all lines are white, meaning there are enough materials. We are also opening production. We can open it only once. One, two, three, four, five, six lots. We can open 6 lots right away. And I am confident that the raw materials are definitely sufficient. Explained as follows. 1 is number 1, 24 is year 24, month 8, day 6, machine number 01. The machine that we have ordered for production is lot 709, which is... This job is open for production of B jobs. The number of jobs opened is 200. Must enter the process of blank, piece, IPQC, and NT. This is the first lot that can be opened and can actually be produced. This is the second lot, which is 1,050. It's the same product code B. The third lot is the same product code B, 1,200. The fourth lot is product code C. 800 through the process of blank, piece, form, IPQC, and NT store, lot number 5, product code C, 1,600. And the sixth lot is 600. In addition, we can also open a raw material withdrawal form according to FIFO, so that the workers can go and get the raw materials according to FERT in first out. This one will tell you that for lot 709, the workers will have to go and get the raw materials, which is code D, this lot and this. How much? Yes, to use this type, $710, $711, and $712. When we open it, let's go and see what happened in the production list. Press the refresh button. This program will be installed on the machines of all production department employees. Yes, each department explains the meaning as follows. This program will tell us which department we are in. We can see what production orders will come into our department. For example, Now I'm in the blank department. I type the word blank and press this. What does it mean? Now there is this lot of work coming to me. 709-200 in number. Close the letter B. 710, the number 1050. Stick to the letter B. To prepare employees in each department or section for production. When finished, when opening the production order, take this worksheet and run the production line. In each section, proceed as follows. When production is complete, you must record the production amount into the shop floor control entry program. In the first part, let's say it's the blank department, press F8. The employees will see the actual work that has come in, which is as before. Select all jobs. You can save multiple jobs at once and scan multiple lots of barcodes at once. In the recording, we record each lot. How much work was actually done today? 200. Today we produced 100 good products, OK goods, and 10 defective products, NG. Record the actual work. The number is 2 and then... Who is the person who does the work? We actually record it all at once to collect a report to produce an OEE report. Or report on the efficiency of machines and workers. Here we want to prove that the calculation is correct, so we will give a total of 200. Suppose that the staff prints an excessive amount, such as 200 here, but the amount of defectives, NG, is 10 types, meaning the total is incorrect. The system will not accept it, meaning the amount you sent is incorrect. If the information is incorrect, the program will not accept it. At this point, we will do this screen, which is to record that blank process. We can work 200, 1050, 1200, 800, 1600. And 600, the full amount of the entire lot. And then see what happens to this one. Press this button and we will see that it will capture the work in real time. Blank is done and the work will move to the next department, piece, and so on. Then we record the total sales in the piece department as usual. All records confirmed, then go to monitoring from piece. It will move to IPQC and NT. IPQC has 3 lots of recordings. And then NT. This one is left with the department. IPQC. And then NT. Completed. After that, let's say the production planning department makes a new plan the next day. You will see that the plan has been adjusted. That is, there will be no more B and C because it has already been completed. The remaining number will be 0, which means there will only be A and F, according to this number. As usual, we go to the work order by machine and open the production order.